You're highly welcome. Please let's double tap on our screen one time. Let's share the live stream. All right, guys, if you are joining, you are welcome. Please let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live. It's been a while. Saturday, so my eye they told me. Saturday like this now, my eye they told me. Let me use I think this will be better. Let's use this. That will really go to work now. If you are joining, you are welcome. The people on YouTube, you're welcome. The people on TikTok, I see you guys. Guys, I want us to do a quick recap on xauusd. This gold go. I really want to know what it do. I really want to know a plan. I really want to know whether gold just set out to render people useless this year 2026. I really want to know what it be plan. I really want to know how far. I want checkmate this gold. So I want to know every zone. I want try read minute around technically. Then because today, this afternoon, I actually took my time to search all of the US media to really check how far. What be the news? What be the newly update? What is the Apple? Is there going to be anything like trade war, like the one where Apple last year? It got the Apple already for US, where they caused this market to react the way they were now. And I want us to do it together as a one big trading family here. Guys, please double tap on your screen and share the live stream so that we can do it together. And if you have any information about this thing when they talk so, always don't hesitate to also let us know. Let's work together hand in hand like this. You understand? First of all, don't be say I don't know what the market they do now. Let me say, as a day trader, don't be say I don't get what I supposed to do. If I wanted to execute any trade or I want to do my normal daily analysis, the market get what you just do so now. Today, after that particular sell will happen, this was the 1 hour sell where we talk today. As the market just come up from the support, good now, very useless pay. He don't come retest time, but now he get what he do. He get what he do. The reason why I said we really need to checkmate go to know how far what it be plan, what it be the thing when you want to do go be say. 2 hours ago, this particular candle is not your regular kind of bullish candle. I will tell you why. This particular candle, if you hear anybody they call momentum candle, now it be this is not your regular kind of candle. Because you see, when the market pull back here today, I enter say the market call they say, I call they happy. So when the candle closed, because it reached here, then it called do pullback. When they do pullback, another candle call open. I still have to enter more the mindset of this market now supposed to go break this particular support, because I wanted my technical analysis was for market to now respect the 4 hours and do the complete 4 hours pullback before the continuation of the buy, as we analyzed yesterday model, which is right here. Say make the market at least make it do this come here, maybe by tomorrow or next tomorrow the market will continue the buy. Because if you observe on your 4 hours time frame, this is also a bearish engulfing. So there were some technical fact, there were some candlesticks that were actually pointed towards this thing when they talk now. So guys, if you are joining us from YouTube, please help like the live stream, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell, so whenever we go live you can always receive an alert that we are live, and also join us every single day. So now, but it can't go what the market do. Sometimes go they do assist, maybe it possess, or maybe they really send them just to go finish people's life. You understand? Maybe they'll just send them, say, go into the world, go into the trading industry and render some men useless. Because you go they do well, oh, you might be doing well on some currency pair, might be doing so well on GBP JPY, for instance, and you saw a sweet opportunity that on a normal day, this particular opportunity was supposed to give you nothing less than maybe 5K, 10K, you understand, from the chart. Then you execute the market call go they do the opposite. It happened today to me. Now they tell you so. So let me quickly show you. From 1 hour time frame, our money analysis was a buy. Was the market to continue the buy? Guys, if you are joining us from TikTok, please double tap on your screen and share the live. Some Mr. Bob said, I don't give up on xauusd. Kai, me self, I don't even know what I go do as at this point, as at tonight, as at this part. This is 9 p.m. now. I don't know my own fate. I don't know my decision. Whether I make I give up or good, I be make I try study and make I understand what they happen. For gold, when I don't trade, gold when I trade 2024, gold when I trade 2025, no be how they trade 2026. It get what the market they do now when I really just when I not just give account I don't just understand. Have you been losing money and you cannot just give reasons why that thing is happening, but you know very well that you've not lost any one kobo on GBP JPY or those other currency pair. Now, because some of us, we are so addicted to gold, because gold is the currency, is the pair that has actually given me the most profit that I've ever made in the forex market. Gold. Now be the pair where we say, now I really don't put food for my table. You understand? So sometimes, and as a scalper, you cannot say you want to be a scalper now, then you can't go to trade USD JPY. It just they too boring and you're going to waste your time. Understand? So most of the time, yes, see, Mr. Bob, see what I put there, so, and see what you do me today. Make I explain my own part for you. Today, this market, before it break below, it was consolidating around this zone. Where this market they consolidate around this particular zone here. Me, I was actually still looking for the buy. You see that time when you take that buy, so then I'll be the office. I did the buy too. That's why you open other trades. When I just chat to say, I see what you just do now. Me too, I open another trade. Then the market called do I see say if you want sell, then all of a sudden they cost out to the buy. Then I enter profit, better profit. Based on say me, I enter better trade too. You open around about four trades, 0.05. So me, I open more than 10 trades from here. So when I enter profit, I close my trade. Then I come out around like 3 p.m. Ideas, I can say before I come out for shop, before I come out for office, I can say this market don't break, they break here. That time it never close. Now make I quickly tell you, say, make we wait, make we see whether it go break below. If it break below, I know what to do, because this is a clear consolidation. And me, why I be they look for buy early in the morning, be say this market now uptrend. On our weekly time frame now uptrend, daily time frame now uptrend, 4 hours time frame now uptrend, even the 1 hour too now uptrend. You understand? So even when this market say come here today, the best way you fit do not to enter buy, because here in a structure where the market break. So as a normal price action trader, I was looking for the continuation of the buy because now uptrend. But when I consider the market, they use moment, they para, I walk up break here, we were chatting and I said, make we check whether I go fee break below. And true to the market call break below. Then me, I do some small sell after the small pullback. I do the sell, I call do a model. Then after the market call form structure here. Now, when the market form structure here, I no fear. Why I no fear be say, me, I don't already know. Say market structure is supposed to happen, which is if market sell, You suppose buy, go back, which is pull back, then continue the sell, go break the support zone. Now, normal something when every trader, suppose they wait, suppose no. You understand? So me too, I can't observe, okay, make it pull back. If it pull back, I'll continue the sell because it don't already break them now. Now, me, I can't go mark here. So if you observe, as the market reached there, started selling. The way this market take trap traders today, let me call it me, because I don't know about if it trap another person. The way it take trap me today, now something where we say, he lure me, give me one naira, give me one naira, give me one naira. As at the time when I don't build confidence, say, almost this thing, it must break here. Now I just use this momentum candle to go up. I swear to God, let me show it to you what really happened. If you look closely, you will see that when this market buy come here, to you, it just confirmed a pullback. And remember, there was no any other structure around here. So me and you, we get with we don't dey trade for years now. When me personally get with I don't dey trade for years now. When we say 2 days short for me, say if price break like this, if it break structure like this, and there is no any structure around like this, the market suppose come down to the support zone. Now something where don't work for years when I know. You understand? So when I say it already come out. So after the pullback, I was so confident in telling myself that I want load and better sell. And I enter sell and I was in profit. God who made me. Then before the candle call close, the call start to the rejector. The moment the candle closed, this one will just open. Now the momentum was so strong that I don't know if you just explain how what it really happened to me. Now just the same market, just do what they tell her make it do. Adurowa, it's not really bad. Or thank God say I get what we go city start tomorrow. But it might be that it is not good. I might even dump the forex market go. Let me just do crypto all through the many days of this week. Maybe crypto and synthetics for now. Let's see if Nadia go for recover. But gold, today pure for now. They pure. They pure. I no go advise anybody, even if you're a professional trader, the kind of professional where we never see before. Gold will mess you up. Gold will render you useless other few seconds. It go spit for your face, call you mumu. See now. Look at this. So what I could do this evening? I could draw this thing like this. I said I was talking with somebody. So as we did on the corner, I could carry my mouse. I was trying to mark out some things on the chart. I draw this particular zone. It be like I every record I still put out for TikTok for my TikTok this thing. Now I said, as this market already break above here, say what the apple so, see what I do. Say as it already break here and I come here, make it just pull back here. You understand? They make it continue the buy, make it come outside from the trend again. Because the original trend then are still uptrend. No mean say based on say with the say the market no set today, no mean say the market don't reverse to that trend. No, we still did the uptrend. But if you look now, you see say the market it don't go back inside. So it don't go back inside, confusing everybody. We were talking about BTC USD today. BTC USD just say well. Where it did now, safe. Let me check out. Let me check out. We are not going to analyze the market from here. Let's take a look at it from the top, from the higher time frame. Let us check out from monthly time frame first. This is February. February 9 the end. So let's see what if you happen at the end of February. Then we know what we they look out for March. Okay. Okay, sir. See. Let's say, technically, you know, say BTC na bullish trend. I believe we all know that. If BTC na bullish trend like this, it is clear. Say market structure was actually playing out. It is clear there. Then 4 months ago, which is November 2025, the market BTC finally break out from a trend line, from the bullish trend. November, December, January, February. Now, here was a minor structure. As at the time where this market formed this resistance here was a minor structure, while here was the major structure. So now, that time, so when it start this particular sell, when they say so, when it reach here, many of us will assume that BTC is actually doing a pullback and is pulling back to the minor. Then it pull back to the minor, in no respect the minor structure, breaking below the minor structure, testing the major structure. So here is the major support zone on BTC USD. And that is around 59, around 60K. You even asked me this question that day when BTC comes 66. You ask me, say whether I sure say BTC finish 60. I said no. Say BTC, I no get that believe say go reach 60. Why? Because that time when the market, after it tests this particular minor structure here, now around here, now that market be day around here, around this area here, now that market be day. So me, I just target and say what just test here, continue the buy. But see am today, say BTC don't test 60K before they call the reject them now. So waiting me, I go talk now. Technically, if this month of February fails to break below here, there will be a pullback, which happens to be is going to be bullish. Now, normal technical analysis now before the continuation, if the market wants to reverse from uptrend to downtrend, but there should be a pullback. What your analysis they see? What your strategy they tell you, sir? Here was a structure. See where the market don't sell reach since then. You understand? So technically, this market suppose do here also was a structure that they've broken. That was broken last 10 November. You understand? So if it be say BTC will expect this particular reversal pattern, because but you know that we have a double top here, sir. We have a double top here now. This and this. So let's call this a double top. Let's call it a reversal pattern. Let's call it a bearish reversal pattern. But I don't care, even if it's not a reversal pattern. But with this particular trend line, the market has broken out of the trend line. So technically, we are supposed to see price pull back and do retest of this same trend before the continuation of the sell. Now, the retest, how sure are we that the market will actually test it? So let's step it down on the weekly time frame. This is the monthly. That is why I said, according to the monthly time frame, we go still need to see, make this month close, make we see how this candle will take close. Because if it close below here, now another thing entirely be that. Understand? If it close below this particular support, where they for started to reject them. So see, they start rejecting this market now from a support zone, sir. They started rejecting it this month from this particular support zone here. This support zone now they react to so this rejection might cause the market to do that pullback before the continuation of the sell. Even if say the market, I mean the buy suppose happen, even if say na downtrend, the market or the reverse to. That is what I'm trying to say. Guys, if you are joining, you are welcome. Let's double tap. We have amazing people on YouTube. Please, if you are joining us from YouTube for the first time, click on the subscription button. Click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification bell. So whenever we go live, you can always be notified to join us. And please don't forget to also click on the like button. Now, the people on TikTok, please also do the same. Let's follow the account and also let's double tap on our screen. See, for me, wetin I go call try do now. May we check why the rejection, this particular rejection where they happen here. So why the rejection? Somebody from YouTube said, what market is this? This is BTC USD. Now, why the rejection? You see, say they don't reject the market this month of February. So, but though the month of February never closed, so we cannot still really, we know if we just conclude, say they don't reject them. No, it never still closed. We still have this week before we go make decision whether it closed below here, I believe they reject them. So, but now let's try to gather some technical information why they reject them. So we are going to step it down on the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, the same thing where that gold they do now, this market just they do so. 1, 2, 3, 4 for 1 month and 1 week. This week making it the second week. The week the market never do pullback after it break below this particular support zone. There's no pullback yet. So I'm going to draw my trend here. Now the pullback on that monthly time frame supposed to be this particular trend that you are seeing. The pullback on that particular small cell where you see for that monthly time frame. So now the market they show you this clear trend on the weekly time frame now. Understand? So on the weekly chart, the market have tested another major support zone which happens to be here. So we are currently anticipating a pullback. Now the pullback that we are talking about now two different structures. Now we mark. So I have my zone here and I also have a zone here. If this market decides to do pullback, what will be the price of this zone? Where will they talk? So I'm talking about 86K. $86K. Then if he eventually breaks above the 86K and decide to respect the monthly time frame to do the pullback on the monthly time frame, then it should be targeting 106K. But for now, the first structure that has been broken last month, now 86K. So now let's try to understand what is happening here at this particular support zone. This particular support zone, what will they try do now? Make we foresee whether, because some persons are currently buying BTC USD already, and the people that are buying it, they might be right and also they might be wrong. You understand? So me now, we will start to the trade BTC now as gold up choke from my eye. I don't go feel just jump start to the buy them until I don't understand what the market they do for you. I don't understand. So okay, the market is ready to do the buy. So now, because on the monthly time frame, we observe that the month of February is currently being rejected. So we want to know what they cause that rejection. Whether the rejection will give us reversal pattern on the lower time frame, beginning from the daily and the 4 hours time frame. So on my daily time frame, what does this support looks like? My daily time frame, that support, see what it look like. Well, this market rugged though. Jesus Christ. What be this? And they see something now. Okay, me I don't see something. I don't see something. Let's watch. On my daily time frame, okay, make I explain what I want to talk about now. See, guys, are we together? On my daily time frame, all that sell where you see for the monthly time frame, so where the market don't take sell since November, December, January, and this month of February. Now it be this, especially when this market started after the pullback. This one and since January 2026. Since January 2026, the market just started the buy. Now January 2026, now it be this till now, beginning from January till date. Now this is a clear trend. A clear bearish trend, meaning that sellers are in charge since the year began. Should be. Now, why I say the market somehow they manipulate like gold for now is if you can observe, we were having a double bottom here, where suppose make this market reverse to the upside. And also the market is actually breaking out. The market currently don't break out from the trend line, testing the same trend line now. And also here, because we were doing this analysis last week, and I said here can be considered as a false breakout. Why I talk and be say why I talk and be say in a bearish trend like this, the market, because this thing no be ordinary sell. This one after you get what happen one oh god, what's here? You get one event where happen like that, where cause this particular massive sell, and after the sell drop that same day, the following day they retrace the steps, so the price not supposed reach here. Now event cause am where carry price reach there that. So the following day immediately they rejected the price. Then it come to where it's supposed they according to the market price. Now be here. Where it's supposed they according to market price. Now be here. So now be this particular eye here. Then the market it wanted to continue the sell. It formed a support. Then it started the buy, failing to break above here. It's already created something like a consolidating market. So that was the reason why that day, that last week, I draw something like this. I draw something like this inside down. Now, a few days ago now, I think if I should open this system now, the analysis should still be there. Now, we draw something like this inside down, and we said, if price break above, we test them, we should be looking out for the continuation of the sell. And if price should break below the box, it test down, we should be looking for the continuation of the sell. If you break above, look for the continuation of the buy. If you break below, test down, look for the continuation of the sell. So you can say this week, so the market break below. So let's talk about here. If this is considered according to market structure, or let me say price action, if this is considered to be a ranging market and the price break below these two support zone, reaching the towards this one where we call say na event na happen, and you see I'm saying close with the candlestick. For me, I would say maybe we wait for this particular pullback. This pullback has a very important information when it will give me, which is for price that has been consolidating for weeks like this, for it to successfully break out from this particular support zone, it means that sellers are in charge and they've taken over the market again. I make it break here yesterday. Now, anything when make price come back inside, it can go close inside here with a green candle. It has violated the sell power, and it just confirmed that buyers don't enter the market here. And that kind of market You know, so we call these false breakouts. It they always they carry market go the opposite direction. This is what I'm talking about. Now, when you study about consolidation means buyers were not in charge, sellers were not in charge. The market, instead of the market to be breaking resistance upward continuously as an uptrend or breaking support consistently as a downtrend, you see price moving sideways like this. Now, what does it mean? When you see price moving sideways like this, it means that buyers and sellers, none of them are in charge, and anybody can actually take over the market at this point. So what is expected of you as a day trader? Just make sure you put the price inside your box like this and patiently wait for a breakout either above or below for a confirmation of what the market will do. Now, when the market break out, what does that mean? If the market break above like this, what it mean? It means say price was actually trapped here, right? Now be the consolidation. If you successfully break above this particular area here, which is this resistance zone, it means that buyers later prevailed and they were able to take price out of that particular zone where price has been trapped. You understand? Now, if it closed above, your mentor will say that was the market pullback, you should take the buy trade, which is good, right? Now, was the market pull back to test the box, that will be your entry for a buy. Because what it means is that for price to be able to break out from a consolidation box, breaks above, it means that buyers are the ones in charge. So that market is supposed to continue the buy. So if you want to enter, wait for the pullback to test the same box, then you can take the buy trade and have your stop loss anywhere in the next support zone, anywhere around the zone here. Now, if, for instance, you see price break above, then all of a sudden you were now waiting patiently for the pullback, for the market to test the same box before you take a buy trade. You see the same price, you see the market come back inside that same zone. This is what I want to explain for you for better understanding. Oh, I know this. See what I want to explain, give you now. You see, before say market breakout from a consolidation, market will be the consolidate, where we say it means that price has been trapped, buyers and sellers, none of them are in charge. Then all of a sudden, you usually say buyers take over and they break out, break above. Now, on a normal day, you were supposed to wait for pullback for the market to test the zone here, then take the buy. But on you now waiting for the market to test the box before you take the buy, because you say price can enter inside. You see, say the market can go from back inside that consolidation zone. Waiting in me be say, though, what will they call an false breakout and false break back in? But what it actually means is that buyers were trying to take the market out. They took the market, they break out from the zone. Then all of a sudden, more sellers executed the trade from here. More sellers rejected the price of the buyer, like they pushing more money. If buyers executed that market with, let's say, for instance, $1 billion, then from here, sellers enter the market with like 1.5 billion. So they were able to push it and force it back inside. So 90% of the time, sellers are the one in charge, not buyers. So many traders will be trapped here because many beginners will think that the market will still continue the buy. They will still keep buying the market. Why they will just, sometimes you will see the market just continue going down because it was forcefully taken over again by sellers from buyers. This English, they do it here, I don't even understand. Well, let me just explain them again using our normal PG language. So majority of the time, if you see price where they consolidate, you always need to wait patiently to see that close back inside the zone. So something like that now they explain here. So say may we wait patiently to see that this particular market where they do pull back now, make we see and say now perfect retest now it can't do. So if this particular market this is today candle. Today and tomorrow have a way of giving us clear information of what this market will do next in the next coming weeks. Which is, if by any means we see a green candle inside this zone again, about this market will continue by next month. But if by any reason, the market it confirmed the perfect retest, because ordinarily this is a consolidation market now. So that was the reason why I asked the question. In a consolidating market like this, what do you expect? Now, either may market break above, retest, I continue the buy, or may market break below, retest, I continue the sell. So in this case, market break out, it break below. Don't break below. So make it retest, make it sell. I will tell me at the CEO. I no know whether another person they see I'm sure. So as it don't break here below, now make it retest here, make it sell. But if we can't go see, say, market where we plan, make it retest here, make it continue to say, can't go close back inside this area, it means say buyers just executed the market massively here, and they are such if you see something like that, majority of the time the market will continue that buy, because if sellers were truly powerful to break out from this particular consolidation, if sellers were that powerful, buyers not supposed to get that kind of strength to forcefully take price back inside. So for price to come back inside, it means that buyers just take over the market from sellers, and majority of the time the market they continue the buy. You understand? But remember, the higher time frame BTC USD is still bullish. Make we not forget that fact. On monthly time frame, BTC USD na still uptrend. It's just that though it don't break out from a trend line, so we are anticipating the pullback now. This is the monthly time frame. Or your monthly time frame, this is what BTC looks like. So market don't break out from a clear trend. Should be the same, because market was actually expecting the trend before it finally break out November last year. Now, what do you expect next? Whenever we see something like this, it's very, very simple. Now, for market to test the same trend, then continue that place. Understand? So if we're anticipating price to test the trend, that should be around 106K. Then if you're anticipating price to just come and test this particular support that was broken January 2026, that is around 83, 85 to 86K, which is around this zone right here. So any one of them, for us to be sure that this market will come here, market need to reverse. We need to give us a clear bearish reversal, a bullish reversal pattern here on the lower time frame. So that is why they see me for that daily time frame. They try make sure say I understand what that market they do, because on the daily time frame, the market now they try trap many of us. They try trap many traders when no sabi this market, because now you will be thinking that the market will still sell. Then that consolidation will break below, where they give you the morale, say the market is supposed to sell. Market will go back, you can go from inside back, and that alone will make this market to continue the buy. This is what I'm trying to explain. You know, say market breakout now, it break below, should be, and as this market break below, you suppose say make it do like this now. As it don't break out below, make it pull back, test time, then make it sell. Understand? But based on say the monthly time frame, it needs to do that particular pullback. You feel shocked, say when this market they do this pullback now, make it go close inside. I want to say close inside, just to say we'll continue the buy. We're expecting what is happening on the monthly and the weekly time frame. Somebody say good or they buy. Will I say Mr. Bob don't come out? Check. Wow. So that's how they now. Me, I no go pay me. I no go cry for good. You see, now why I say now it is supposed to be that. So for market where they trend like this, on 1 hour time frame, where you can say it break out from the trend line with a bullish momentum. Now I explained something as we just started this live stream. I said this is called a bullish momentum. It's not ordinary candle. This particular Greek candle, no be your regular bullish candle. I'm talking about this particular Greek candle where the market take break out from the box. This particular one, no be your kind of regular candle. This one is a momentum candle. What do they mean? It means say when the market open from here, the first step when it take now buy, and that's when it take buy till it close. Buyers were in charge 100%. There was no sellers were nowhere in sight. With the buyers, like with they call a candle where carry power. Your whole resistance they close now. Me, my current and my technical analysis is for gold to go and test 5,500 before any other major pullback. Now, that particular analysis, what did they give me the morale to stick to that particular buy when they say all through this week we go buy? Now, your weekly time frame, if you open your weekly chart, you will see the way last week candle take close. It closes with a clear bullish hammer candle, another strong bullish candle. This is last week candle. Last week candle now be this. So for markets where originally they uptrend like this, because gold now uptrend on the higher time frame, now uptrend, buyers are the ones in charge. Now gold they uptrend, it was performing what is called market structure, breaking resistance, pull back, continue, break resistance, then it call pull back. Then you can see say when it call they continue the buy because now uptrend originally. You can see I'm say it's called see I'm now for the past 3 weeks they close with buyers in charge. But last week closed with buyers in charge 100. See I'm here, this particular hammer candle. So this week too we supposed to see I'm with a Greek candle. It's supposed to close bullish before any sorry, let me remove this if I see here now resistance where the market just break now. So it's supposed to use and buy where coming to that same pin bar, which is 5,006. Sorry, this particular pin bar, Mr. Bob. I don't know if you will remember now. When we they talk now, there they tell you say my own target or my own analysis. So as far as this market it don't come up for here. And last week candle don't give me bullish hammer candle. This is a clear bullish hammer, a very strong bullish information. Where the carry market go up, the market supposed just the run the buy. And based on say the market is volatile, many people the market go feel frustrated. Many people before it buy because small sell where this market go sell. If you be say you did the buy, call for carry you go that sell. You go fair rather you lose less before it call you the buy. I bet good now something where we say we supposed to live for like 2 months before person go run mad. So on 4 hours income, what is the market they do on 4 hours time frame? You see that particular pullback what will be the anticipate today. That particular pullback what will be the anticipate today. Where the market no complete. Yesterday we fair anticipate them. The main market no be say no do pullback. We actually do the sell. The market do some sell shall. Calvin say I lose back to back this week. You win last week. If you win last week, I will still congratulate you now. Between Lord have mercy. Last week na period that they see before I go ask. I don't need to do as see say all is well. All is not well for you. And this guy, this good. Yeah, I go make money finish. I go come, he go call, he go forcefully take out from me. This guy now only. I did be na human being. Me for don't mount, therefore don't mount out anywhere he did. When they fair way and 500 for the both side, make you know say he don't to do. Now, most of the time, when we say no, they do what men initially analyze. The market go do what you analyze, but it get what they do where they boss people, bro, where they boss me personally, where they boss my brain. So the over volatility. Now, if you are not trading with a broker, where we say they are no clean, all those people where they trade with W markets now. All those people where they trade with W markets now, now that oil is go get reason why to liquidate them, use their money, go buy another Rolls Royce. You go for 10K, you go lose everything under 24 hours. They don't go explain anything give you. But if you by mistakenly go for 10K, may you get profit of 40K, they go tell you say you don't manipulate their chart. But you see that thing where that Willis be they talk about price latency. You do. Make I show you, make I prove something to anybody where they this live stream. Guys, let's take it. I believe we are all traders here. Let me show you one of the obvious price latency when I see. Make I show you. Guys, let's double tap on our screen. May I show you. Let me open another chart first. Just that I never really study and make I check as I go fit to use a trade for either Xness or Forex. Make I know whether it go work for me. Understand? Now watch. Let's open gold on a broker called xauusd. Now this xauusd, let's open a broker called, let's say Oanda broker. You see this particular Oanda in another useless broker for UK be that. Now another useless broker for UK be that. Now this is Oanda chart. Many people they use this Oanda, they do analysis. Take note of it. Now I go bring this gold come here. Understand? Then remember this is the Oanda chart here. Now it be this. Then so see the Oanda chart here. Now be this last one. Now let me open this chart. Then let me go and bring it to xauusd. So now this time I'll open another broker. So this time around, let's use IC market. IC. I believe many of us know IC market. I believe many traders there know IC market now. Many of them they trade with them. Now let's open IC market. Now this is IC chart, IC market chart. They don't do line by line. So let's take a look at the two chart now. This is IC. See the way IC day on 4 hours. Let's use 4 hours. On 4 hours, see the way it take there, Abi. Check the Oanda on 4 hours. This is 4 hours, Oanda. This is 4 hours on IC. IC market, 4 hours. IC market, Oanda. Now let me show you the price latency. On Oanda, the price is 5,172. On IC, that is IC market now. Yes, this is IC market now. IC market 1,172. Oanda broker, the price they let me see how they come. Open. Get what I noticed yesterday. Very big price latency. The kind where that we will talk, say that guy do. I see him with about like 10 pips different. Like 10 pips different. like 10 pips different. Somebody said I'm new to forex. I only have money for forex and for currency pair. I better stick to that currency pair for now, because if you fair go pull your hair for gold there, you get why they laugh. You can never, never, will never, never understand why I'm laughing. Ah. Just they do your Euro USD. Stay there. No matter anything where you they see online, no do. They do as you say, you know they see them. Poor now. Bush dey near your ass. You dey live for water side, maybe a river, water day anywhere around your area. If water day, later in the afternoon, you go carry your laptop, go sit down under for on top the water. Because where gold pull inside your body go just dey hot. Inside your body go dey hot. You go dey purge. But and you know say you never chop. You go dey purge. Inside your body go dey hot. And you dey under AC like this. Especially if you can't go use bigger lot. Your mood go just spoil under few seconds. You can't be like say, when this thing no go, me and my can no blow, me my can no blow, and the car go see blow. That time you call the reason say, they don't send the call. Yeah, wetin I dey find. It be like say that IC market. Maybe you don't look at when I used yesterday. When I foresee that lapses. Kelvin, currency pair go fit recover am, but currency pair fit give you anything. But for me, why the thing they had me so now the boringness where they the currency pair. More currency pair boring. Okay. If you go take trade for USD JPY for instance, one trade where you take his money, go the waka like snail. You take them before your spread go even recover. If you say you use standard account, where we say you need to pay for spread before it give you any profit or losses, and you go take the trade before your spread go even expire, go even recover. Our people say October. There is price latency here. Which broker is this safe? Okay, this is FX Open. You see, this is FX Open, and this is Wanda. This other one is Wanda. This one is FX Open. FX Open, their current price. This is 1 hour time frame on FX Open. I see that gold is currently trading at 5,168.34, around 34. Now they play around, but just take note of this last number, 1,068. Now check your this other one, 5,000. It was around 5,600, 5,168. Now this one day 68, sorry, 68, 740. And get what you see and here now. This one day 5,169,920. Why this one FX Open day 5,170. FX Open day 1,000. FX Open with that. Sorry, make I confirm. Yes, FX Open. Make I use 2 laptops do this thing, because it be like say the prices they change, so make no be say I dey lie put on top their head. But me get what I say, up to 10 pips, up to 10 pips they short from brokerage price. You go they see this price go dey 5,160. Another one go dey already dey 5,170. Like that kind 10 pips different. Now you see that 10 pips. So if it be say you dey trade with the broker where they late, that means you go feel ahead. You understand? Now wetin they try talk. Whether now wetin that guy, now wetin that police say the guy do, say he took advantage of their price latency, they chop them. But if now wetin the guy do, now when we say me I don't observe him from this chart, then I will come compare some brokers with the other one now. Make I see as the guy really do one. On the market, all they pull back 15 minutes. Though the market will close in the next 10 minutes now. Sorry, let me quickly change this thing.